house. So the number one item that you can do is a regular maintenance. It's really important to have your system checked. We check ours in the spring before we really start to get heavy into using our HVAC systems. So right now is a great time to do it. And then we do it again in the fall. So right now you want to take a good look at your HVAC system, make sure it's clean, change that filter out. Those filters, typically those 1-inch filters, you want to change them out probably monthly, maybe every other month, depending on how dusty it is in the air, how many people or pets live in your house, things like that. So you're going to want to change those filters out. Right now is a great time to do it. Get it ready for the start of summer, and then probably do it again, at the end of each month, or at the end of when you get halfway through the summer. So